Hi there, my name is Mark Thompson. I'm the Senior Business Unit Director for UK in Orthopaedics here at Smith+Nephew. We're delighted to be able to invite the Migrant Leaders STEM Congress to this facility, our head office in Croxley Park. CSR is such an important part of what we do at Smith+Nephew, and it's great to be able to contribute back to our local community and hopefully inspire the next generation of Smith+Nephew employees throughout the region.
Working here at Smith+Nephew gives us great opportunities like running this STEM career conference, whereby we get 120 students to come in, show them the innovations that we have in our products, show them the training facility here we have for surgeons, and really inspire them to pursue STEM careers.
I'm Noma, and about today's event, I find it really fulfilling because when I was at school or at uni, I didn't see that representation in STEM careers. I want to help the students, give them that representation, and it's always good to have those conversations. You get to speak with them and then they sort of ask about your experience and you get to share, and if it's like a similar major that they want to go on but they're not sure, it's good to give them advice, like sort of a mentor to look at or look upon.
We're here today at Smith+Nephew working with a charity called Migrant Leaders. We've put together an amazing careers event for our students in sixth form at Wembley High. The day has been put together with events where they've met engineers and networking with professionals at the company, and they've got to experience real live product demonstrations as well. This is a vital part of their education and seeing applications of their learning beyond the classroom and showing them what careers they could potentially move into.